How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Land Rover Naperville, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Naperville and Schaumburg, Illinois. And I'm having a pretty good morning because I'm currently in the back seat of a 2025 Range Rover SV long wheelbase with the Signature Suite package. This thing costs $280,000 and it is maybe the most beautiful interior I've ever seen on a car. So let's look at it. Alrighty, well, we're just going to start off really quick in the front seat, and as you can see, this is just an absolutely beautiful interior all the way around. Of course, a lot of people buying these cars are going to be spending a lot of time in the front seat, and they certainly did not disappoint with the luxury amenities. You have maybe the world's biggest headrest I've ever seen on a car, and then you have these super supple seats. This is the Caraway and Perlino interior. It is exclusive to the SV, and it is just absolutely beautiful. The attention to detail is just second to none. You can see all of the detailing in the seats there. I really love the trim on the interior with these kind of hexagonal, kind of diagonal X's. It looks really cool. And this brown is just the perfect color, I gotta say, for this car. Absolutely love the brown steering wheel as well. And you have nice size gauges, and you're gonna recognize an SV by the white trim on a lot of the interior detailing. But of course, the biggest selling point on this car is the rear seats. So let's hop in. All right, and hopping inside the SV, you can see, again, just how beautiful every detail is on this car. I really love the fact that if you didn't notice, the front seats, the front are brown, and then in the back seats, they are the Perlino color, or the off-white. Just looks super nice. Love that how it kind of bisects the interior, so you get two different feels depending on where you're sitting. Of course, you can't forget that you have two monitors behind the front seats as well. This is going to allow you to hook up HDMI ports to watch basically whatever you want. You'll also get Wi-Fi access in the car, and then you also have your navigation systems on here as well. You can do a whole bunch of other things, but I'll go more into detail in another video. You do have the tray tables that fold away nicely. You got more of that kind of geometric pattern on the top as well. Really nice finish there. A couple of cup holders down at the bottom. And then you have your third screen down in the middle here, where this is going to control things like your seats, the ambient lighting, the fridge, we'll get to that in a second, the rear screen, so if you want to raise or lower the blinds, you can do that as well, open and close those. And then probably the pièce de résistance of the interior has got to be the fridge. Just wait till you see this. So that is actually located between the seats here. You have more of that kind of trim pattern on there as well. But if we hit the fridge button and then we hit open, you're going to see it gracefully slide down. It's all backlit as well. And then in here you have Crystal SV branded champagne flutes. These things are heavy. These things weigh like 2 pounds each at least. They are very substantial. They are real crystal and they just look absolutely gorgeous. Having like a Diet Coke back here, just the end of the world, just life of luxury. They each have their own separate cup holders back here, and then behind it is where you're gonna store your champagne bottles. But we'll give that a close. Goodbye, champagne. And then you also, in your armrest, you have a little storage pocket here. Those are headphones. So if you want to listen to music without disturbing people up in the front or listen to something different, you also have a 12-volt outlet down at the bottom, a couple of USB-Cs, and then those are your HDMI ports. You also have a little second cubby hole if you push in on the right side of the armrest lid. Then you also have a wireless charger there too. So they really did think of everything in this car. It is just truly beautiful. It is just a sight to behold. It is just an all-out luxury experience just sitting back here. It is really like a private jet. I absolutely love what they did with this interior. They just knocked it out of the park, as Range Rover always does.